Have you ever wondered what Bitcoin is, or why people keep talking about it? In the next few minutes, I'll break down Bitcoin in the simplest way possible, no jargon, just easy to understand analogies and examples. Imagine you have a digital version of cash, like the money in your wallet, but it only exists online. That's what Bitcoin is, a type of digital money, or cryptocurrency, that you can send to anyone, anywhere in the world, without needing a bank. Now, let's go back to 2008. The world was facing a financial crisis, and trust in banks was low. Bitcoin was invented as a way for people to send money directly to each other, without having to trust a bank or government. Think of it like sending an email, but instead of a message, you're sending money. Here's where it gets interesting. Bitcoin uses something called blockchain technology. Picture a public notebook that everyone can see, but no one can erase or change. Every time someone sends or receives Bitcoin, it gets recorded in this notebook, which is shared across thousands of computers around the world. Imagine a group of friends keeping a shared diary. Every time someone spends or receives money, they write it down. Everyone has a copy, so if someone tries to cheat, it's obvious. But how does one acquire Bitcoin? Well, there are two main ways. You can buy Bitcoin using regular money on special websites called exchanges. Or you can mine it. This is like a lottery where computers solve puzzles to win new Bitcoins. But today, mining is mostly done by big companies with powerful computers. People want to buy or mine Bitcoin for lots of different reasons. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. It's like digital gold, rare and valuable because there's only so much of it. No single person, company, or government controls Bitcoin. It's run by everyone who uses it. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere, anytime, often with lower fees than banks. Bitcoin itself is very secure because of the technology behind it. But, just like cash, if you lose your wallet, or in this case, your digital keys, you lose your Bitcoin. So it's important to keep your Bitcoin safe in a secure wallet. You can use it to buy certain things online, send money to friends and family around the world, or simply hold onto it, hoping the price goes up. In summary, Bitcoin is digital money you can send online. It's not controlled by any bank or government. It's secure, limited, and can be used by anyone, anywhere. That's Bitcoin in a nutshell. If you want to learn more about how Bitcoin works or explore other cryptocurrencies, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. And remember, always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching.